Assalamu alaikum everyone, Afzal Badshah is here, and today in this video I am going to discuss arrays. Arrays are actually a data container which store data of equal types. Arrays are a linear data structure which store data in a vector form. Here you can see that int array 5 is equal to some elements which are stored just like a set, which you have studied in mathematics. Here the int represents the data type, that the integer data type will be stored in this array. An array is the name of this array. You may change, you can use the name according to your requirement. For example, you may write the results, you may write the class, and here the 5 shows we give the 5 at initialization time, and if you give the values then we don't need to give 5 here. And the 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are actually the elements. Here in how this data, how the array data is stored in database, in memory. In memory, these are stored just like data elements, and with data elements, every data elements have the index. The elements are the data, for example 5, 10, 15 and 20, 25 are the actual data which we have stored in the array type integer array, and the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are actually the index. These are actually the addresses to address any particular data in the array. For example, if you want to get 5, then this value 5 is stored on the array 0, the 10 is stored on the array 1, the 15 is stored on the array 2, and the 20 is stored on array 3, and so the 25 is stored on the array 4. So if you, for example, print here the value of 15, then you will print array 5. Okay, the basic operations on the array are the traverse. Traverse means when you start from the index 0 and go to the n indexes. Here I have the 4 indexes from 0 to 4, and when I will read the data from 0 to n indexes from 5 to 25, all the data, then this is called traversing. Insertion means to insert in a new data type. For example, I am going to add 17 between the 15 and 20. The currently array index are 5, then I will increase the index to 6, means the index will be increased from 4 to 5, and I will copy the data from 25 to the next index, the 20 to the next index, and on the 25 I will insert the new data. Deletion means to delete any particular item. For example, I am going to delete the 15. Or update means to change the value of 15 by 17 or any other data. How data is inserted, I will check it in detail. The same array is here, have the 5 elements, and its index is from 0 to 4, and we want to insert 17 on the index number 3. This is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Actually we want to add 17 in the 20. Okay, so the 20 will be go to the further indexes. Let's check the program how we will insert that, because here the indexes are 5. So here we are going to add a new number. Now the indexes will be 6, so the 25 will be copied to the next index, so the 20 will be copied to the place of 25, and in the place of 20 here I will add the 70. Let's check the program. This is a program written in C, include stdio. Okay, and after that I'm running the main program, the main function, and in the main function I am initializing the same array with the name of array, and you should change the name of array. I give this name due to the ease And in this array I'm storing some elements 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and on the next line I'm initializing one other variable with the name of item, which is equal to 17, and k is equal to 3. Actually I want to insert the 17 at the k3 position, at the 3 index, and the total element, current element in the array is n is equal to 5. So I initialize the I is equal to 0 and j is equal to n, and I increase the n is equal to n plus 1. I increase the index because the current indexes are 5. But now after inserting the new element, we should change it from 5 to 6. Now after running this line, now the total index are 6. We have created one other index here. So while j is greater than k, here the j is equal to means that we have initialized the j with 5. Here means j5 is greater than or equal to k, and where k is equal to 3. Yes, 5 is greater than 3. That what I have to do is I will increase the j plus 1, array j plus 1. Currently the j is 5, but now j plus 1 it will become 6. Array 6 means that the new place is created here after 25, and I will copy the value of array j, means I am copying the value of 5 to the 6. I am copying the array value 5 to 6, means I will copy the value of 25 into the 6. Okay, and after that I am decreasing the j minus 1. Now the current index of the j is the 4. Okay, I will increase the j plus 1. It will become to the here. Okay, and I will copy the 20 data into the 25. But when the j is equal to k, means then j become equal to 3, then here I will insert l k is equal to atom. Here and 3 I will insert the atom. But before inserting the new atom, you can see that I have copied all the data. So this is simply printing the array. The next one is the array deletion. I'm going to the same arrays here, and we are going to delete the 15. We are going to delete the atom number 0, 1, 2, which is on the index number 2, and the atom is 15. So first we have to search the 15, and after the deletion of 15 we will copy the data of 20 to the place of 15, and also the data of 25 to the place of 20, and more that the currently index are 5 here in this array. And after deleting the 15, the new array maximum index will be 4. Okay, let's check the program. Array it is the same array having the 5 elements, and we are going we are initializing the key with 3, and total n is equal to 5. Okay, and ij, and I'm initializing the j from k because I will directly go to 3. Okay, k is equal to 3, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and 3. I will directly go to here. Okay, j is less than n. Yes, j is 3 and n is equal to 4, so it is less than n. Here j minus 1, j is 3, means that it is here, it will come here. Okay, because we are going to delete 15, it will come here, and the array j will be copied, means that 20 will be copied to the 15, and after that j is updated, and after updating the j, the 25 will be copied into the 20. Okay, and after n is equal to n minus 1, the index, the last array, the last index will be deleted, and this is the same printing the new array. Now I'm going to search the atom number 15, and how this I will search. I will start the array from the first index, and I will compare the every element of the array with my atom, which is 15. Let's check the program. Here you can see that array which is having the same element in atom is equal to 15, because I'm going to search the 15, and n is actually the total indexes, which are 5 from 0 to 4. And I'm initializing the I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, because I will run this program from 0, from the 0 indexes. Here you can see that j is less than n, yes, j is 0 and n is equal to 5. Yes, it means that we have not traversed all the array. If array j is equal to atom, array j means array 0 is 5 and atom is 15. No, it's not equal. So j plus 1. No, the index is 1. 1 is array 1 is equal to 15. 1 is 10. No, it's not equal. J next to 2. j2 is equal to atom. Yes, the 15 is equal to 15. Yes, it is equal to. So it has been found, and the loop will be terminated and the new array will be printed. The next one is update. We don't need to run in a loop to traverse or search the atom. We have to simply update the value of 50. So how this will be updated? Let's check the program. Here you can see that the same array is here. K is here, here k is equal to 2 because I'm going to change this one, and showing the total elements in the array, the total indexes of the array, and atom is equal to 10 means that we are going to place the array 2 by 10. Okay, so array k where k is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, it means that this is the 15, and at the place of 15 we are going to insert 10, and this is the same which is printing array after printing. So this was about the array, that what is the array. As I told you, that array is a container in the software engineer which store data type, the same data type, the data of the same data type. It is a linear data structure which is also got vector structures, and the operation which we may perform on the array are to search any element, to insert any element, to delete any element, or to update any element. So thank you so much for watching.